Hi guys, today we are going to a very undeveloped and secret beach, and together with my friend Chao Kim. Hey Chao Kim, say hi to the cam.
Hi, guys.
Okay. So when talking about Shenzhen, this city, for those who know this city may think about the economy, the science, something like that, tall buildings, but there are many beautiful beaches. So we are going to one of the most beautiful beaches in this city. Okay, let's go. The sun is crazy. It's very hot because it's developed beach, so there is no umbrella or something or where we can hide from the sun. So I take this very big umbrella. We just bought it. Public toilet. That's unbelievable. There is a public toilet in this very small village. Okay, let's go. It's very hot. Very hot. And there are many mosquitoes. And the road is not good. But you know that worst part? There are many snakes. And most of the snakes are poisonous. Wow. Hopefully we won't be able to see any of them. And now finally we can see the beautiful sea and blue sky. Very beautiful. Keep going. We are here. Wow. It's so amazing. You see? Woo! Oh, do you see that the water is crystal clear? This is our camp. We put all the stuff there, and today's wave is very strong. And there is no lifeguard here, so just be careful.